The industry's most advanced haptic gloves are now in a lightweight wireless package. Right, they're creators from the United States. This is a solution for companies ordinary users will be deterred by the $5,500 price tag plus a $500 monthly subscription. But the technology is quite interesting: compressed air plus hundreds of micro drives, virtual Apple Parks tools. And other objects will feel just like the real thing, and the glove's compatibility with Unity, an Unreal Engine, and other tools open up incredible teamwork possibilities. However, some users predict that this product will end up like the Power Glove is an unpopular controller for the NES console.
Interesting fact about Japan's #1: according to various estimates, only 12 to 15% of its area is suitable for agriculture. Interesting fact about Japan #2: local farmers are 66 years old on average, which is the land is scarce and should be used to the maximum, but often activities like irrigation are a bit hard for farmers, so a variety of robots come to the rescue. This one, for example, helps with harvesting. This robot was also at CES 2023 and surprised visitors with its artificial intelligence. Using all kinds of cameras, it can harvest crops such as bell peppers with an accuracy of 0.04 inches, plus the robot monitor crop growth and other things, giving tips if necessary, and it moves via wires. This system is suitable for almost any farm and doesn't damage the ground.